All right, now you listen to me, boy. You can take this as a warning or a piece of advice any way you want it. You and your friends keep on playing punk gangsters and we're gonna land on you hard. You understand?
Swing a razor like a Latin king attacked by pigs with tasers. I amaze the streets of New York. Local bomb terrorists without the Islam. I lick shots at your moms, put the beat on. I got my heat on. Never stopping the shit I'll be dropping. It's hotter than boxing, hotter than lava. My words got volcanic eruptions. I spit to the Bravo, cause I'm going mad like Bravo. They call me Hector Malo, Macho Camacho. Can't stop me, bro. Can't stop me, ho. No matter what I go through, I keeps the flow. I'm going gold on the low, looking to the eyes of the cold. My heart got 3 bullets in it. I'm halfway froze, bloody icicles dripping. I'm halfway sold to the devil, unless I bring myself back and dig myself up with spiritual shovels. I'm going through difficult levels. I spit like a hard rock, you spit soft with little pebbles. My lyrical's incredible. I write the lightning, seen the most frightening shit on the street. On this hell concrete where I battle and scramble and struggle to get cash. I hustle and gamble. Can't quit the day job unless I'm Escobar like Nazo Pablo. I'm doing it, polluting shit. Niggas love my shit. When they play your shit, I put the mute on
the hatches in the trunk. If you wanna fuck with us, we got the 380s to blast you in your lungs. We got the big buildings to throw you off the top. My best friend's a crooked cop, my girlfriend to make your heart. We got the hatches in the trunk. If you wanna fuck with us, we got the 380s to blast you in your lungs. We got the big buildings to throw you off the top. My best friend's a crooked cop, my girlfriend to make your heart stop. Take that, you won't take that.
I'm the illest on my block, and my block is the world. Tell your girl to stop sweating me. She wanna suck the curled up pinga. I got that goody for the Latin niñas. I'm a drooling hyena around the sexy divas. A rebar, I run through bitches like Speedy Gonzalez. I tell them swallow this. I'll be in the clubs with the models, bitch. Niggas step up and see the hollow spit. I'm a role model spit. The talented young Spanish man with a damage plan. What's up with $1 million advance? Fuck it, I'll deal with 500 grand. I need my wishes granted. Too many witches planting wicked spells got me feeling wicked like Gargamel. I feel so evil, I make a gargoyle melt. Feel the fury of the wrath of God. I bury burning souls under a pentagram and turn them into shooting stars out this earth. You rapping on my turf, I've been blessed since birth. Since I got dropped on my head, not even a coma could stop this curse. It pays to be brain dead, feel my pain spread. See the bloody rain drip red when I bled. My pop fed me anger. I'm a boss with kilos that weigh a ton. The New York Strangler with incredible stamina. They call me Heckle, then I turn to Jekyll.
We got the hatches in the trunk. If you wanna fuck with us, we got the 380s to blast you in your lungs. We got the big buildings to throw you off the top. My best friend's a crooked cop, my girlfriend to make your heart. We got the hatches in the trunk. If you wanna fuck with us, we got the 380s to blast you in your lungs. We got the big buildings to throw you off the top. My best friend's a crooked cop, my girlfriend.
Don't drop the camera now, boy.
Like that.